Hi, I'm mixing Klef here again. Look what came in the mail. TECNO sent me the Camon 20 device to try it out exclusively. I'm so excited to see how this turns out, but first, let's unbox it, shall we? It's TECNO, so beautiful design as always, great feel, and a quality build. But as a portrait photographer, I am most interested in the quality of images I can achieve with this device. The features I really want to try on this device is the 108 megapixel ultra wide lens and the steady night portrait master. Enough talking, let's get straight into it tomorrow morning.